Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter BIOS on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. So in order to enter BIOS on your laptop, it has to be completely turned off, and once it's turned off, what you're gonna have to do in order to enter BIOS is short press the power button, and then before it starts launching, start repeatedly pressing F2 button until you see preparing setup menu message in the top right corner of your device's screen. So let's short press the power button, then let's repeatedly press F2 key. And once you see preparing to enter setup, you can release F2 button, and in a moment you're gonna end up in the BIOS menu. Here you can navigate using your touchpad. You can expand any of these sections and check different options available here. And once you want, if you want to exit this menu, you have to click exit right here. You can restore settings using this button right here. And once you exit your BIOS, if you provided any changes in here, you'll be asked if you want to save your changes before leaving this menu. So I'm just gonna exit it, and as you can see, no changes were made, so my computer will just restart in the moment. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.